Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome to our vlog! We brought this from all day!
What is this?
It's
What is this? Aftershock popping candy. So guys, ito kasi binili namin sa all day. Kasi sobrang mahal niya, na-curious lang kami. 289 ang normal price niya. Pero dahil nag-sale sila, 75% off. Kasi siguro wala nang nabili. So, ito. Ngayon, nabili lang namin siya kanina ng 75 pesos. Dati siyang 289. So, ano kayang lasa nito? Ano mangyayari dyan? Aftershock. Okay, let's try this.
Let's try.
Tingnan nyo guys. Na-curious lang kami. So,
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Yeah. What is it like?
Kanina pa to si Sak excited eh. Okay. Nakaano siya.
This is a strawberry.
Nakaganito siya guys. Okay, let's try this.
Let's
So,
try.
anong mangyayari? Ito ay green apple. Try natin ang green apple. Kung masarap to. Babe, try mo din.
Open this. Mommy, could you please open?
Oh. Let's try this. Green apple.
Did it pop?
It popped inside the
It says a
mouth.
popping candy. Did it pop?
Let me taste that. That is strawberry. Sabi mo ka dito, that time mo. Nagpa-pop siya dun sa
Sa loob?
sa loob ng bibig. Pag nabasa siya. Ito pala yun.
Aftershocks. Pinaitan ba?
Bakit ang mahal-mahal nito? Ganun lang pala.
Effect, yung special effect.
Na-special effect kaya mahal. Pero masarap siya. Tamis. Asim-asim.
Wow! It popped.
Can you explain what do you feel?
I
heard popping, but I think it's raining.
It's raining.
It's like a rain.
Dito ka, babe. Babe, dito ka. Ano ba?
popping sounds.
Popping sound.
Ano
Ano yung flavor na sa'yo? Strawberry.
Ano tunog eh.
Try ko rin yung strawberry. Ito. Ito guys.
Yeah. It's a strawberry.
Yan. Try natin. Na-feel mo?
I feel
May
it.
something different ba? Ba't napakamahal nito? Kaya pala may stock lang talaga dun sa kanila. Can you hear that?
Yeah. Naririnig ko nga.
Maybe I can melt it.
You heard it popping?
Yeah. Raining.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Maybe I can melt it. Right
Mas
here.
masarap to, strawberry. Naririnig niyo ba yun guys?
Hindi. Hindi. Kailangan may mic malapit sa mo. Yung nagpa-pop.
Ay, oo, wala tayong mic.
Sa ilalim ng dila.
Pumuputok sa ilalim ng sa ano pag nababasa.
Parang nananakit din, ano? Parang tinutusok niya ng konti. Hindi talaga.
Wala pang Kaya siguro lang siya mahal kasi marami siya. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung ilan ang laman nito.
Umuulan sa loob ng...
Naulan sa loob ng dila. Ayun guys, sa sobrang curious. Sige, may experiment daw kami. Sige. Buksan mo, tapos lagay mo dyan. Lalagay namin siya dun sa tubig. Dami na rin namang nakain. Oh.
This is an experience.
Okay.
Let me try that.
Oh, it's popping. Naririnig niyo ba yun, guys?
Papa.
Uy!
Yun,
Ayun!
Let's try another one.
Oh, that's enough.
This is an experience.
Oh, wow. Nakulo sa ilalim.
Now we can put more. Now we can
No, that's enough, anak.
put a little less.
Ang tagal pala, no?
Ang tagal, no? Kasi hanggang hindi siya natutunaw.
Nandiyan pa siya kasi hindi naman natin pinilulok. Pag nasa dila pala, pop ng pop.
Oo, no. Oh.
Tagal din, 20 minutes, 30 seconds.
The bubbles are popping.
Don't move my arms.
Pop, pop.
Kitchen popping. Parang nagluto-prito ka. Diba? Parang
Oh
tulad ng
my
prito.
gosh. Wow, it's mixing together. What did it make?
I don't know.
Didn't stop popping. Keeps on popping for 1 minute.
Forever?
Hanggang hindi siya
For
natutunaw.
1 second? Forever? Forever? With 1
Talaga
second?
siya, oh.
Should I drink this?
No?
Oh.
Some of them float and some of them sink.
Parang
The
sa
bubbles?
soft drinks na bubble.
Making float.
Yun lang, guys. Okay. Okay, paalam ka na. Outro na tayo, guys.
Okay. Don't
Yun lang po, guys. Please,
Don't
don't forget
to follow.
like and
share. Bye, guys. God bless.
God bless.